So on Facebook, I managed to find friends in Denmark when I was doing Danish research. So I imagine you could do the same thing, that would translate for me. So I'd say, hey, I don't understand this little loop in the handwriting. Can you tell me what that is? And they would write back and tell me. So I've met cousins that way, actually using DNA research too, that are descendants. You know, we have common ancestors, so they're in Denmark. So if you're fortunate enough to have or discovered cousins in Italy, I would imagine you could do the same thing.
Yeah, there's actually a Facebook group called Genealogy Translation, and people can go in and just post, you know, a snippet or a record or something like that, and there's guaranteed to be someone who can translate it for you.
Well, that's a new tip for me too, because I hadn't heard that. You know, one of the things that I've discovered beyond just the normal Google Translate, which is on Chrome, is the Google app. Have you seen that? The Translate app. So if you're traveling to Italy, right, and you have the Google Translate app on your phone, you can hold it up to a sign, a road sign, or you can, and it translates it like just immediately.
My husband showed me that. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.